Just kind of like a test day slash track day. We sort of rented the track like once a month for most of the year. Yeah, so we're gonna try to get some shots of some of the cars. We're trying to get some footage for like commercials for the AK-49s and stuff. Just trying to get some of our homies out drifting. Got cool cars like this. And then I'd like to get a bit of seat time today. I haven't driven since I crashed the Aristo. So I'm driving this today. Kind of not running that great, so.
Down this morning.
My plugs are all f***ed up, so the car wouldn't boost. So I drove part of the way here and f***ing up. So then I turned around and went back to the shop.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, put new plugs in, and seems good. So
you guys need to get a SERIALNINE trailer like this.
Yeah, I think if I had this, I'd just live in it.
It's got like a little toilet in the corner.
Car will go up to here, yeah, exactly. And then this will be like my toilet. Toilet space will be here, and then the kitchen table will be here. Got your bed here, and then like the TV's right here, and then you just cut a hole in the roof, and then you have your shower.
So you can watch TV while you shit?
No, you eat dinner while you shit.
Oh, okay.
It's faster. But it all worked out. Successful day of drifting here at Mission Speedway. Beautiful sunny day. It's a little bit windy, but can't complain. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to SERIALNINE Weekly.
You ate some fried chicken?
Yeah.